Hi there, Face here. And you're watching Nick Jr. Bop, bop, bop. Well, I'm not sure what do you do about this. I'm not carried by me, so I happen I hear you are Bert, but Bert and Downs is good to see you. Okay, I'll I'll go show you about the birds. Okay, here goes. Hey! That was fun! Karan's is next. Wow, that was different to me. Are you, you?